Hey folks, I am the HVAC repair guy. I have got over 17 years out in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two entry-level heat pumps to see how they stack up for your home. We are comparing the ACiQ R5H5S against the Oxbox J5HP5. Taking a look at build quality and cabinet construction, there is a clear difference in protection. The Oxbox J5HP5 features full slotted steel panels, which offer superior protection for the internal condenser coil. In comparison, the ACiQ R5H5S utilizes an open wire grill design, leaving the coil fins more exposed. Neither unit comes equipped with an insulated compressor sound blanket from the factory. When it comes to heating performance, both units carry a heating seasonal performance factor rating of 7.5. HSPF2 measures how efficiently a heat pump turns electricity into heat over an entire winter season. A 7.5 HSPF2 is standard baseline efficiency for modern heat pumps. That gives you reliable warmth in mild to moderate winter conditions. Neither is built as a specialized extreme cold hyperinverter. During the summer, both function as standard 14.3 SEER 2 air conditioners to keep your house cool and dry. Looking under the top grill at compressor and fan technology, both units feature single-stage scroll compressors and single-speed condenser fan motors. That means when your thermostat calls for heating or cooling, the compressor and fan kick on at 100% capacity. They stay there until the room reaches temperature. Single-stage systems are simple, time-tested, and easy to service, but they lack the fine-tuned humidity control and constant low-stage whisper operation of variable speed equipment. Noise levels stay fairly close between the two models on the job site. The ACiQ R5H5S operates between 70 to 76 decibels depending on tonnage. The Oxbox J5HP5 operates around 78 decibels. Looking at manufacturing and brand background, ACiQ equipment is produced by International Comfort Products, which is part of Carrier. The Oxbox J5HP5 line is manufactured as the budget-friendly entry brand under Train Technologies. Looking at current equipment market pricing, the Oxbox condenser ranges between about $1,780 and $2,630 depending on tonnage. Equipment costs for the ACiQ heat pump range from around $3,300 to $3,800. On the warranty side, both manufacturers cover equipment with a 10-year parts warranty. Where they differ is in unit replacement coverage. The ACiQ R5H5S offers standard parts replacement coverage. Oxbox includes a 1-year unit replacement pledge if the compressor fails catastrophically within the first year. If I have to make an honest contractor recommendation, I am giving the nod to the Oxbox J5HP5. The full slotted louvered cabinet panels offer significantly better protection for your outdoor coil. Backing from Train, along with a 1-year unit replacement guarantee, provides solid value for a budget heat pump.